It's still good, but I recommend replacing spark plug since you're already in that area. And then one thing about I like change the spark plug with this tool right here. This thing is magnet and easy to replace spark plug, and it will it will get that joint up easily. And what you can do is like no matter how anything like won't even like fall off or anything to the ground. So there you go. And now we're replacing this bubble right here. Pick it up at AutoZone. Oh shoot. Plus. Then throw this thing out. Look at the brand new compared to the old one. And again, iridium spark plug, which is I picked it up AutoZone at $19.29. Not bad. So I mean, it's a high performance spark plug. So yeah, stay tuned.